Just before we start doing this question, just note this: an accurate drawing is not an acceptable solution. P is the point 82 and Q is the point 11,6. Find the equation of the line L which passes through P and is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, so P is here. That's 82. I'm not doing an accurate drawing. I'm just going to do a drawing to help me visualize what's going on. And Q is 11,6. And what we want is a line that comes through here that's perpendicular. So the first thing I want is the gradient of PQ. So that's going to be difference in the y's, 6 take away 2, over difference in the x's, 11 take away 8, which is going to give me 4 over 3. Therefore, the gradient of the perpendicular is going to be -3/4. Remember this relationship that if two lines are perpendicular, then their gradients multiply to give you -1. So now I've got y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And it needs to go through this point. So the y1 is 2. And the x1 is going to be 8. So I've got y minus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to -3x take 8. So 4y take away 8 is -3x plus 24. And so 4y plus 3x is going to be equal to 32. It doesn't tell us to give it in a particular form. The point R lies on L, such the area of a triangle PQR is 12.5. So this is the line L. And so let's just draw that there. And so there's a point R here. This is our P. This is our Q. And we know this is a right angled triangle. And we're being told that the area of that triangle is 12.5 square units. So we want to find each of the two possible positions of R. So it could be there where I've drawn it, or it could be over there. Okay, so let's have a look at PQ. So the length of PQ, that's the height of this triangle. So from the gradient calculation, we can see that this is 3 across and 4 up, which means that length is 5. And so that looks like this distance has got to be 5 as well, because a half times 5 times 5 is 12.5. So it could be 5 this side or 5 that side. Now the gradient of this line we said was -3/4. So that means that it would go 4 across and 3 down. So one position of R would be from 8 to 4 across, which is 12, and 3 down, which is -1. And the other position, if we go the other way, like this, so we go 4 this way and 3 up. So from 8 going 4 backwards would be 4, and then going 3 up would give us 5. So those are our two possible positions of R.